Alright, so here's a quick tutorial on how you can add a negative film effect to your videos using the SYN-FX app on iOS. So first, basically just open your video and then tap Effects, and over here search for negative, and then there's 4 different versions. So let's just start with the basic negative, and then I'm gonna tap Fill to make the clip cover the entire area. And then now if you want to, basically if you want to try the other ones, we can just split the video, split the clip a few times, and then let's replace them with the other types of inverted effects. So here we go. And here, this way you can try all of them and see whichever one you want for your video. So there you go. This effect is free, so just try it out and you can use it as many times as you want. All right, thank you, and thanks for watching.